For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a furniture store can be both creatively rewarding and financially profitable if planned well. With the help of today's free artificial intelligence tools, you can streamline everything from research and planning to marketing and operations without spending heavily upfront. Whether you aim to open a brick-and-mortar store or focus on an online furniture brand, this guide will walk you through each essential step, showing how to use AI to reduce workload, increase efficiency, and support smart decision-making. Step 1. Conduct market research with AI. Before anything else, gather insights about your target market, competitors, furniture trends, and ideal pricing. You can use ChatGPT to simulate industry research and consumer analysis. For example, you can ask ChatGPT prompt, what are the current furniture design trends and consumer preferences in the U.S. market for mid-priced furniture? Combine that with Google Trends and free AI-powered survey platforms like Typeform, with AI question suggestions to understand customer needs. AI tools like Perplexity AI or U.com can also gather recent data and summarize furniture industry reports. Step 2. Develop your furniture store business plan. Your business plan should cover your mission, products, target market, financial projections, and marketing strategy. AI makes this easier. ChatGPT can generate a full draft of your business plan using a simple prompt like ChatGPT prompt. Create a detailed business plan for a mid-range furniture store that sells contemporary designs both online and offline in Florida. You can use Notion AI to structure and visually format the plan with AI-generated templates. If needed, Grammarly's AI features can polish the language and tone. Step 3. Choose your business name and brand identity. A strong name and brand image help you stand out. Use Namelix, a free AI business name generator, which creates brandable names based on your product type and keywords. Then, use Loca or Canva's AI logo generators to produce a logo and matching brand colors. To develop your brand voice and story, ask ChatGPT prompt. Create a compelling brand story and tone of voice for a modern, eco-friendly furniture store targeting millennials. Step 4. Register the business and handle legal setup. Once you've selected a name, check its availability via your state's business registry and domain checkers. Then register it as an LLC or sole proprietorship. ChatGPT can help simplify legal tasks by generating checklists or draft documents. ChatGPT prompt. List all legal steps required to start a furniture store in Florida, including licenses, EIN, and permits. AI tools like LegalZoom's AI Assistant or Do Not Pay, an AI legal helper, can assist with some basic form completions for free. Step 5. Design your product line and find suppliers. If you're designing custom furniture, use AI-based design tools like SketchUp Free or Planner 5D to sketch pieces in 3D. If reselling, use ChatGPT or Perplexity AI to find reputable wholesale furniture suppliers or manufacturers. You can search with ChatGPT prompt. Find 10 trusted furniture wholesalers or drop-shipping suppliers for mid-century modern furniture in the U.S. For product descriptions, use ChatGPT again. Prompt. Write an SEO-optimized product description for a minimalist oak wood dining table. Step 6. Build your online store. AI-powered website builders like Wix, with Wix ADI, or Shopify Starter use artificial intelligence to auto-generate your e-commerce site's layout, text, and imagery. Canva's AI image tools can help you create marketing visuals and mock-ups. For content creation, try ChatGPT prompt. Create homepage copy for a stylish online furniture store that focuses on comfort and affordability. Make sure your site is mobile optimized, easy to navigate, and showcases quality images and detailed descriptions. Step 7. Choose a retail location, if applicable. If you're opening a physical store, use Google Earth and AI mapping tools to analyze traffic flow, proximity to home furnishing competitors in nearby residential neighborhoods. You can also use ChatGPT to evaluate neighborhoods. Prompt: what are the best retail locations in Fort Lauderdale for a furniture store based on income demographics and foot traffic? Step 8. Set up inventory and logistics. Decide whether to store inventory yourself or use drop shipping. Use AI to forecast demand with spreadsheets powered by Google Sheets AI tool Help Me Organize, which can predict needed stock based on past sales. ChatGPT can also generate inventory management systems. Prompt: create a simple inventory management spreadsheet template for a furniture store with columns for item name, SKU, quantity, supplier, and reorder threshold. Step 9. Create a marketing strategy using AI. Your marketing plan should span digital ads, social media, local SEO, email, and possibly influencer outreach. AI tools can help in every direction. Use ChatGPT to develop a full plan. Prompt: write a 6-month marketing plan for a new furniture store, including launch campaigns, Instagram strategy, and Google Ads targeting. Use Canva's AI social media assistant to create visual content. Meta's free AI ad generator can help you write compelling Facebook ad copy. For blogs or email marketing, use MailChimp's free AI content creator. Buffer's free AI-powered post scheduler helps manage campaigns effectively. Step 10. Launch and test your business. Before a full launch, do a soft opening online or locally. Use Google Forms or AI-powered surveys to collect early feedback. Run A/B tests using Unbounce's free plan and AI features to see which homepages, product images, or CTAs perform best. Use this prompt for ChatGPT. Prompt: what feedback questions should I ask customers after their first purchase from my furniture store to improve the shopping experience? Review customer responses with AI summarizers to find common patterns quickly. Step 11. Manage customer service and engagement. AI can improve service with tools like Tidio, a free AI chatbot for websites, or ChatGPT to create email templates and FAQ pages. Prompt: write 10 customer service email templates for common furniture store issues, such as delayed delivery, damaged items, or return requests. Keep engaging your audience by using AI tools like Pictory or Lumen 5 to convert blog posts into short video content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Conclusion: launching a furniture store doesn't have to be expensive or overwhelming. Free AI tools can save time, spark creativity, and help make data-driven decisions from day one. Whether you're handling branding, inventory, design, or marketing, AI puts you in control with precision and power. By using these tools strategically and refining your approach with customer feedback and analytics, your furniture store has every chance to grow into a profitable and lasting business. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.